10 years ago today, 19 terrorists hijacked 4 airplanes, and in an instant, 2,977 innocent victims lost their lives. To all who sacrificed that day, from Ground Zero to the Pentagon, to the heroic passengers on Flight 93 in Shanksville, Pennsylvania, the NFL remembers. On this anniversary, we honor those brave men and women by continuing to show our unity and strength as a country, as we pay tribute to their memory.
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang loud, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled